Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover this charming 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom home nestled in the serene community of New Haven Heights, Trelawny, offering ample living space and a flexible layout. This property is ideal for families or investors seeking a home with rental income potential. The home features a spacious layout with 4 generously sized bedrooms, 2 on each floor. The primary suite features cathedral ceilings, a large walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with jacuzzi. 1 bedroom complete with a walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and a half kitchen as a separate entrance, making it perfect for a rental unit, guest suite, or home office. With the house occupying only half of the 0.35-acre property, there is ample room for a large garden, additional development, or entertaining space. This sturdy, well-built structure, with a red-tiled roof, large windows for natural light, and spacious verandas for enjoying the tropical breeze and views, make this house a great opportunity in an ideal location. Only 15 minutes from Falmouth town and 30 minutes from Montego Bay, this property stands out. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican,
45 million.
US 285.2 thousand, Canadian 408.2 thousand, Euro 261.9 thousand, or 221.6 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.